Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the units in Plasticity. Plasticity is set to meters by default. If you want to work in millimeters, go to the menu. Select Preferences here, and in the Grid and Unit section, choose millimeters. Here we define the grid size, and here we specify the spacing between the thicker lines of the grid. After changing the units, restart Plasticity, and now you can work in millimeters. Now, when I create some geometry, we are working in millimeters. If you want to check the dimensions of some geometry, for example, the diameter of a circle, we have information about the radius of that circle here, but if it comes to the diameter, we can easily convert that. The situation is similar if we point to the face of a cylinder. Here we have information about the radius of this cylinder, and in the case of flat geometries, we can also check the dimensions of the flat geometries. Here we have the length of this line given. And now, just for fun, if you check, for example, the diameter of some cylinder, and click here with the left mouse button, that value will be copied. Now I select this cylinder, press the equal sign, and here I press Ctrl V to paste that dimension. However, this value is being pasted in meters, but if I write M here, the correct value will be pasted. I just entered the unit here so that this value is accurate. Now I type ×2, enter. In this way, we determined that the diameter of this cylinder is the same as the diameter of this cylinder. I simply copied the radius value of that cylinder and used it to determine the diameter of that cylinder. Once again, I select this cylinder, press the equal sign, and set the diameter of this cylinder to 40 millimeters. Hit enter. This cylinder is selected, and here we have information about the radius value of this cylinder. I click the left mouse button to copy this value. Now I click on the face of this cylinder, press the equal sign, press Ctrl V to paste this value. This value was copied in meters. Just 20 millimeters was changed to 0.02 meters, but if I add the unit M here so that it's expressed in meters, then everything is correct. Now I add ×2 to multiply the radius by 2 to get the diameter and press enter. Now, the radius of this cylinder is also 20 millimeters. Similarly, when we have a line selected, we can also copy that value. I clicked here with the left mouse button, and now I will draw another line. I press the Tab key to activate the value input field. I press Ctrl V, M, enter, and we have created a line of the same length as this line. These short tips can be useful when creating 3D models in Plasticity. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel as well.